Morning traders, it's currently 9:09 a.m. here in Tanzania. Today is the 17th of October, my birthday by the way. So I was already in this trade on this day here. This was on Wednesday the 15th. And yesterday I did not trade, but there was an opportunity here to scale in. So this position was already at break even. Today we are here. I've added another position, but the stop loss which was here at break even, I've kind of trailed it up here. And by the way, I'm trading this with a prop firm. Okay, got funded trader. My current balance is here. Floating equity right now is around 4%, which is good. Leave a screenshot here of these two trades and even the floating profit or loss that is currently on right now. Okay, I've taken this on BNB on the 1 hour since I'm swing trading. But on Ethereum, I'm waiting for some kind of another lower high to form, because to me this this lower high here, if I enter here, price can easily come back and then just take out this high or even created a deeper lower high. So I am just very cautious. I do not want to enter early. I want to be sure that the market really wants to start pushing down from now, but everything is already there. We already have the indication, the correction, and maybe this is the start of the continuation. But maybe the market can start pushing up. Maybe the correction is not over yet. So I just want to be sure. Okay. If you see the difference here, the market created an indication. This was the correction, and then the market started pushing aggressively. These candles are very strong. It's the same thing that I want. We have this high, and then the market created this low, and then we have another lower high. So something like this, I want that to happen somewhere here. Okay, around this area. Then I will be interested to start taking sales. So that's what I am waiting for here. But as for now, I'm good with this position. It's still pushing really well. The previous position was a 1 to 4. This one is also a 1 to 4.47, which is awesome. I'll keep on updating you guys on the trades that I take. If you want to see what other prop firms I am planning to use, or which kind of prop firms I recommend or promote, you can just check out the link on the description of this video and go and check them out. But make sure you go through prop firm match. There is a section about rules. There are so many prop firms these days have hidden rules, so make sure that you go and read all the rules. I think I'll also leave a link to prop firm match in the description, so that maybe you have seen let's say Funded Next, you want to go and purchase an account with them. Go first to prop firm match and go read through their rules, see if there are any kind of hidden rules, see if they have any kind of rules that won't suit you. Okay, that way you can choose a prop firm of your liking, so that in the end of the day you do not start complaining, oh, maybe this is a scam, maybe there is a certain rule that I did not see, they have scammed me. Because a lot of people usually do that. They do not go over all the rules. They do not even want to bother reading or finding out if there are any kind of hidden rules, and when they uh, they do some kind of a mistake or they breach uh, the rules, then they start complaining that the prop firm is a scam. So be responsible. Okay, be responsible. These prop firms do not care if you lose money. They are just there so that they can continue making money. But when you are smart, you're going to survive in this game for the longest. So anyway, that's pretty much it, and I'll keep on updating you guys on how things go.